Hi folks, just installed a set of TUSK heated grips onto my 2020 KTM 300XC. Thought I'd just run through them with you and give you my thoughts and impressions on the kit. This is the kit, comes with everything you need. You really don't need anything else other than the tools to install it. Controller, the grips, wiring with a fuse, everything. You can do a direct hook up to your battery. They do recommend a keyed source, but for the off-road bikes that's a little tough. That's the part number I used. It worked on this bike and it came with all the cams for the throttle. The lock-on grips, which is really nice. So just take the lock-on grips off and put the new lock-on grips on. They're a little bit fatter than a regular grip, than the ODI stock KTM grips, just a little bit thicker. But hey, it might give you a bit more surface area on your hands. The installation was really easy. I pulled the tank up, didn't disconnect it, but just pulled it up. Ran the wiring underneath, the wiring down to the battery, put the fuse at the back where it is on the loom. Put the grips on and plugged everything in. Put a zip tie on the back and behind the number plate just for all the wiring. Put the little button here that switches it on and off. Probably try and keep it out of the way so you don't knock it, accidentally switch it on, or it's going to run your battery flat. Put the grips tend to go on so that the line's up above here. It's got about that much travel in it. Hopefully that doesn't get hooked up on a stick, but bad luck if it does. Might try and tuck it down a little bit more. But it works really well. I just took it for a little rip around the backyard here, and it's got a lot of power settings. That's the lowest one, next one, next one, next one, and next one. Only took about 2 minutes to warm up and became quite comfortable straight away. So yeah, good kit. I think they're, I think they're only $25 US or something stupid like that. Really cheap. And they shipped them up to Canada in only 3 days. So yeah, Rocky Mountain ATV was the source for these. Highly recommend the kit. Thank you.